Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and it is Asos. This is their March beauty box. It is in collaboration with the UK cancer charity Look Good, Feel Better, and 100% of profits of the sale of this box will go to that charity, which is absolutely wonderful. It costs £25 and you're saving around 75% off retail value, and it contains 10 items. If you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find details down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got running. You'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look. So yeah, so let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. Give you a little sneak peek there. This is the Look Good, Feel Better box. We see you. You've only gone and ordered one of our fave face and body boxes, packed with 10 makeup and skincare essentials from major names like Charlotte Tilbury, Elemis and Urban Decay. This box is perfect for your spring refresh. Seriously, everything in here will elevate your beauty routine. Can it get any better? And then it goes on to tell you that 100% of profits will go to the charity. It's an incredible charity that works to boost the physical and emotional well-being of people with cancer, providing workshops led by beauty trained professionals to boost their confidence during difficult treatments. Thanks for buying this box and helping to support this fantastic organisation. So starting off, this is so nice. This is so nice. It's a shower gel by Rituals, and it's a Ritual of Sakura. It's rice milk and cherry blossom, and there's 200 mils here. So a full size large bottle. This smells beautiful. It's one of my favourite, if not my favourite, of the Ritual ranges. They've got a few different ranges. Oh, I love it. It just smells amazing. I'm really happy to have this in the box. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. So yes, we've got a shower gel. Then we've got a makeup brush from Real Techniques. Filtered cheek brush. Pairs with blush and correctors and serums for a natural finish. I'll get it out and show you. You can see it better here. Use with blush to add warmth and colour for a natural sheer blush. And you can pair it with serums and correctors for bouncy, supple skin. Made with synthetic materials. I love Real Technique brushes. Yeah, this one's really nice. I have got one very similar. I've got a rose ink one, a blush, and I absolutely love it. Yeah, very similar. Very similar bristles. So yes, we got a makeup brush there. Next we got All Nighter. It's a makeup setting spray from Urban Decay. Long lasting makeup setting spray. Temperature control technology and lightweight, and there's 15 mils. This has been a favourite setting spray of mine for years. It is my favourite setting spray for a fuller face of makeup. If I was going somewhere special and I wanted my makeup to last, this is the one I would go to 100% above any others. I do love setting sprays. I have got quite a collection. There's different ones for different times of wearing different makeup. But for heavier makeup, wanting it to last longer, if I'm going to be out for the day, wanting my makeup to last all day, this is the one, in my opinion anyway. But yeah, I really like it. So we've got a little mini one there. Next we've got some lashes. We've got some little Tatti lashes. These are individual and au naturel. I love these. No, I don't think there's glue with it, but look. How cute are they? I'll get them out. I really fancy trying lashes underneath my eyes with the 8s here. I would love to put them underneath my eyes, just one or two, just underneath in the outer corners, and then maybe the 12 then at the top in the outer corners. I've never ever tried lashes underneath, but I think, yeah, I think that might be quite nice actually. I love the fact that you've got little glue pockets to put your glue in there. So you've got some natural soft look little lashes. Elemis Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is in rose, and we have got 20 grams. Don't like the smell, gotta be honest. Don't like the smell of this, but I do really like the balm. Yeah, it smells of rose. I just don't like it. But I will use this. I've had a huge pot of it. I still use it. It doesn't linger. Once I put the rest of my skincare and everything on, then it doesn't matter. I don't smell it all throughout the day, thankfully. But yeah, it's a nice little pot there. Then we've got some e.l.f. primers. This is a set of 3 putty primers. We've got a poreless putty, we've got a matte putty, and we've got a luminous putty. I love the little sizes. These are so cute. Really handy if you're going away for the night or a holiday or something. Look, they're super small, aren't they? So how much is in each? 4 grams in each, yeah. And you don't need a lot either. I have got the poreless putty one. I'm actually wearing it today. I wouldn't say it's my favourite primer. It feels nice on my skin. It blends in lovely. Makeup sits nicely on top. It doesn't blur as much as, say, Benefit Professional. You know, if I rub that in, that's really good. Or a Smashbox primer. But it's not to say that I don't like it. It's just, it's more of a satin finish than a matte. It feels more like a cream on the face. So we've got a matte putty primer, a poreless putty primer, and we've got a luminous putty primer. Have I said this already? Possibly. Luminous putty primer for me, no, we'll not use that because I don't want to illuminate the middle of my face, which is my worst part of my face. I got fine lines there, I got really large pores, I've got scarring from old acne scarring, and I've had sebaceous hyperplasia removal, which I'm left with some scarring as well, and yeah, a lot of scarring around my chin there as well, and pores. So no, I don't want to highlight that. Not a chance. So the matte and the poreless one I would definitely use. I'll pass that on to maybe my daughter because yeah, she's got quite nice skin. Unlike me, my skin's all right. I'm not moaning too much. I'm pretty happy with it at the moment. It's just, yeah, I can't really do much about scarring. I just gotta live with it. Or unless I go down the route of surgery. But yeah, that's another discussion, isn't it? So we got 3 e.l.f. primers there. Next we've got mascara by Benefit, and this is Roller Lash. This is a little mini, and I'm actually wearing this as well today underneath my fake lashes. I really like this. I've liked it for many, many years. It's got a nice wand to it. When I first saw the wand, I was thinking, that is not going to work on my lashes whatsoever. But it does. It does. It really, really works. It's tiny, but it really lifts and separates, and I've got hardly any lashes. But yeah, let's got another one. Then we've got Charlotte Tilbury. This is Magic Serum. This is Crystal Elixir. I can see a hair right in front of my eyes or my nose. Anyway, Crystal Elixir, Crystal Infused Serum for younger looking miracle skin. And there's 3.6 mils here. I have only used little teeny tiny ones like this. So I've yet to develop an opinion about it. So I can't really tell you anything about it. Feels nice. But as far as longevity of using it, I can't tell you. If you've tried this and you've tried it for a long while, you've gone off and bought the bigger bottle because you love it, or you think, nah, it's not as great as other serums, please let us all know down below. It's always interesting to hear what other people think of the products. But yeah, Charlotte Tilbury, pricey brand. I don't want to be forking out, I don't know how much it is actually for the full size, but it is quite pricey, I think, isn't it? But yeah, it's a serum. So what is magic about it then? What does it contain? No, it just says massage into your face, but it's Magic Crystal Elixir. So there's that. Then we've got another serum. This is by Bare Minerals, and this is Skinlongevity Lifelong Herb Serum, and there's 8 mils there. I've had little mini sizes like this in different beauty boxes over the last couple of years. It absorbs nicely into the skin. My skin feels really nice with it. Moisturiser sits nicely on top as well. Yeah. But again, I can't tell you much about it really. Full of strength and resilience, free of visible signs of aging. If you want to know more about the products inside this box, then if you go onto the Asos website, then you'll be able to search them easy enough. But yeah, there's that. The last item in the box is a conversation starter because we seem to get it in loads and loads and loads and loads of different beauty boxes. From reading some of your comments as well, you seem to have a stash of them, so you'll never ever run out of NARS Orgasm blush. So this is a little mini and is 1.2 grams. This is Orgasm X. I love little minis like this. It's just so cute. There. Oop. So there's that. So those are the products inside the box. There's 10 in all. It costs £25. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this one? I really like it. I love the fact that we've got full size Ritual shower gel. I love them. They smell amazing. They last a while as well. I love the fact that we got the putty primers, even though I won't be using all of them, but I think they're so cute, and I think it's really nice to have something a little bit different like that in boxes. And then you got the Elemis cleanser, Must Benefit mascara, Urban Decay setting spray. So they're all like mini sizes, but I think overall, I do think the value is there. One of their best ones for a while anyway, but I'd love to hear what you think. So all your opinions, please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.